You know it's about to go down, so let's just head downstairs and pack up some stuff. You guys can see I got a little ring light, so hopefully this little light helps. I don't think it's doing too much, but hey, something is something. We sold these cards for $105 on eBay. We picked these up for $11 plus tax at Walmart for each box. So I think I'm gonna make like around $20 plus fees. You know, kind of you're gonna chomp into this margin. We also sold some B grade up tempos. Picked this up at Ross for $33. We also sold this 225 retail Under Armour jacket for $76. We picked this up at Ross for $20. It was in one of my videos, but we sold those up tempos, and both of them are B grade shoes. Some Blazers right here. These are B grade because of this thingy right here. You guys can see it's very off, but that's about it. I picked these up for $27 plus tax at Ross, so it's pretty good. I'm over here looking for these up tempos, and they're right in front of my face. Like, but yeah, I didn't really see anything wrong with these. I mean, this looks kind of weird right here. Other than that, you know, these look pretty good. Nothing bad. I picked these up at Ross for $33. So let's get this stuff packaged up. So I'm not sure which box is gonna fit these cards, so I'm gonna try this regional Raid A box, see if it works. Oh, looks like it is gonna work. Or is it? Yep. Let's get some of this filler stuff. There we go. That's packaged. Hopefully it doesn't cost too much to ship. So going back to this, I already packaged those cards up. I'm gonna ship those last, and I'll break the numbers down for you guys, and I'm gonna ship. Actually, I'm gonna ship this this thing last, the sweater or whatever, and I'm gonna ship these air up tempos first. So we're gonna go get our box, shoe box. I'm gonna wrap these real quick. 2 bubble wraps. Put a little paper in there. And we're gonna write our thank you note. First we're gonna weigh it. Oh, 2.05.
Bruh.
Could have been 2, but whatever. So let's get to printing this label. But first, we're gonna get some Rolo action. Yes, sir. We're gonna slap our shipping label on here. This is ready to go to the post office, but we have 4 more orders, so let's get to those. Gonna get another shoe box. Get some more bubble wrap for these Blazers. I made $65 even on those air up tempos, which is great for some B grade shoes, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna write our thank you note for this. Damn, bro, everybody buying stuff from Texas. No complaints, but you know, that's a coincidence. This weighs 2 pounds, so let's get the shipping label ready. So breaking it down, shipping for those were $8.59. We picked those up at Ross for $29.16, and we made a profit of $35.59 on these. Get that Rolo action, baby. Yes, sir. Now we're gonna ship these cards. They weigh 3 pounds. Hey, $8 to ship, not bad. So we only made $25.39 off of these cards, which is not that good. I was thinking to get a little bit more for them, but it's whatever. 25. They're not Panini, and they're not any Prism cards, so you know, it's all Gucci. Some more Rolo action. So let's pack up this hoodie next. So we're gonna get this folded real quick. Make a little bit more space here. Hope y'all can see better with this sliding. But yeah, this didn't have a Ross tag on it. Gotta stay hydrated, guys. The usual here. Like I showed y'all in my last video, or whenever y'all saw it, when I'm folding these hoodies, I like to fold them into themselves. So we take both sleeves here, like so. Make sure everything is flat as well. Bring the bottom up, fold it down, fold this in a little bit like so, and then bring the hoodie back and just fold it in into the hoodie like that. Flatten it out, get it back to its square shape, or at least try, although sometimes it doesn't work out. And there we go. It feels real nice too. 225 retail. Put it in our poly bag. And this might go in a padded flat rate envelope. Yeah, it's gonna go in a padded flat rate envelope. Put that guy over here. And we're gonna write our thank you note. It's a North Carolina sale. Pretty cool, close. And let's get this Rollo action for the last time. So satisfying. Yeah, so we made $33.58 off of this. Paid $21.60 for it. Fees were $13.06. It was a little high because it had a 3% ad rate on it, which I don't recommend you guys doing if you guys are running ads on, are running promoted listings on eBay. I tend to just stick to 1%, but when I started, I just did what eBay recommended me, or I did I think like around 4%. So we made $33.58 still, $10 more than our buy cost, which is really good. So you know, no complaints. But that ad feed was a little high. So the reason I like to put the shipping label on before I stuff it in here is because if I was to put the shipping label on after I put this in, it would be all bumpy and stuff. So when I try to stick it flat, it won't really, like, there'd be some parts that are kind of wrinkled, and you know, it could cause the label to come off. So I like to stick it to put the label on before I put this on. Sometimes the stuff that I put in here is like too fat, and then this goes over and these sides are uneven, but this is just great. So yeah, yesterday was a Sunday, so it's a pretty good weekend sales, not gonna lie, really great. So if you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, leave a comment down below what you thought. These last couple of days have been really good on eBay and Poshmark. Made some decent profit on all the stuff that I'm selling. It's good to know I'm picking up good inventory and it's selling around a month. Although some stuff that I picked up months ago is barely selling right now, I really don't care. I know that when I'm buying items, sometimes they're not going to sell immediately. It may take a month, 2 months, 5 months, 6 months, whatever. You know, this is basically, if you know what you're doing, sometimes it doesn't have to be a waiting game. But when you're first starting out, it can be a little difficult to, you know, find good items to, you know, resell, and you don't know when they're gonna sell or not. Although you can tell they are going to sell or not by looking at the sold completed listings, but sometimes that isn't that accurate either. Always good to do your research before you buy anything, and that's what I do, and you know, it's working out. I appreciate you guys for watching to the very end of this video. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you.